What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix photos disappearing issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open Gallery app. Now in Gallery app, look for the hidden files. So here just simply tap on view all to view more albums. And you can also click on this three dot more icon, and from here click on hide albums. Now if any album is hidden from here, then it will be disappeared or hidden from the gallery. Now you cannot find those pictures or album in your gallery, so make sure from here no album is hidden. And after that, if you are still facing the same issue, then you can try the second solution for this problem. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and click on gallery. Now go to the storage of gallery, and from here clear the app data and cache memory of gallery. So to clear the cache memory, click on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data and then click on delete to confirm. And after that, the pictures disappearing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then maybe you have deleted those pictures by mistake, so check in your recycle bin. So for that, open gallery, click on this menu icon, and from here click on recycle bin. So maybe you will find your disappeared photos and videos in your recycle bin, and from here you can just simply press and hold on a picture and tap on restore to move it back to the gallery. So that's how you can fix the photos disappearing issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.